then this is the one that you can download. Okay, so you can do unzip and download the zip file, so then you can download this, and then you can run this. Well, of course, you need to fix this first for the version of Python 3.7, for example, and then a little bit tweak if you want to see some of the procedures as I want to show to you in a little bit later. Okay, so you can do that too. Okay, this is an exercise for those who wants to do real coding. Okay, so I'm going to post on this sitesecure.web the website so that you can download it, and then you need to a little bit of a tweaking needed. First of all, that one written in Python 2.7, so you have to upgrade it. And some of those are the way that I show here, some of the explanation, so that I put some comment, print statements, so that you will be able to see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to run this and then enter the message to send. Then I can say, hello, Mercy Cyber, the best. And then session keys can be in any, but in this particular Python code that you may be able to download from GitHub, it'll assume only the number, so that I can put some numbers, okay, whatever the number. But if that number is less than 228 bits, then you need to put some padding. That's what we can see here in this implementation. Okay, so run this, then it goes that much, and then finally you will see this. So that I can explain this to you. Remember that the initialization, in the initialization, initially you have all zeros. Right, this is a session key. A session key has all paddings. There's all paddings there, and then along this, without clocking, so you use all the rest. This is register 1, so it keeps changing. For how many times? This should be done in 228 times, right? From 0 to 7, so 200. And then finally, the first LFSR1 will have these bits there, right? And then I didn't display the second one and third one. So after you do that, for the initialization process, then you have 3 registered in this way. So this is LFSR1, this is LFSR2, and LFSR3. So with those 3, okay, so that you can, with the clock, you need to do, I believe 100 times, right? 100 times do this. So do that modifications, and then finally that's 100 times. Then you will have this. Okay, once you have this, then simply then you can generate the keys, right? So keys generated from this by 228 times of cycle iteration, then this is the key, the first key, 001, 00111, whatever that, right? And with this is the text you need to convert that this, and this is the key, and then you need to exclusive OR, bitwise exclusive OR. 1 and 0 means 1, and 0 and 0 means 0, and 0 and 1 means 1. So it is a 101, something like that. So your cipher is 101. This is a cipher. Okay. This is encryption of streaming data over cellular signals. That's why we looked at this. All right. I hope you could do this.